Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 1B, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button, and when you see your boot options, hold power off. As you can see, this changes into reboot to safe mode. So it gives us a quick message, reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. I'm going to confirm it. And while it's rebooting, I'm just going to quickly go into this mode, explaining it a little bit further and a little bit more in detail. So this mode is designed to troubleshoot your device. And what that means is if you have some kind of problem with your device, maybe you have installed some kind of malware application and it's causing you massive problems in using your device, you could boot it up into safe mode and said applications would no longer be able to turn on its own, nor would you be able to run it. And from there you can just solve your problem, get rid of the application and then reboot the device again to get back to the normal mode. Now once the device boots up, you'll be able to see that it is in safe mode, and also either the applications that you have installed yourself will be grayed out or just not visible on your home screen at all. We'll see in a second which one it is. Let's give it a moment. There we go. So in this case, it grays out the applications. I know this because we do have Facebook, which is just monochrome right now. Now on the second page, oh no, never mind, we don't have a second page. So yeah, you can see that if you try to open up applications that aren't supported, it gives you this pop-up, downloaded apps, disabled in safe mode. Now, like I mentioned, this is the application that won't run, and it looks like we don't have any other application that will not run. This is the only app that I can showcase this on. Now, anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you need to do is hold your power button and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.